Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because I will be reporting and sharing to you the latest collection of Chanel from Paris Fashion Week Spring Summer 2026. So what I would be sharing to you, of course, would be all the bags that walk the runway. So we are going to scrutinize, look at them, and zoom at the photos and videos. So hope you guys enjoy our episode for today and stay tuned until the end of our vlog. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Vegetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, I'm happy to share the newest collection of Chanel from Paris Fashion Week. So we are going to discuss most of the bags. So first we have the Chanel flap bag size maxi. So as you can see zooming in, the material is like a full grain calfskin leather. And what I love about this bag, it has like the classic Chanel flap features like the grommet, so you could wear this as a shoulder bag and maybe even as a crossbody bag. And of course, I love the size of the maxi bag. So here is another colorway. Colorway is burgundy and it has the same features. I'm just wishing that they have changed the strap back to the classic chain strap because I feel that's more chic, but maybe they are going for a more casual style for the Chanel flap bag maxi. Alright, so next on the Runway collection, so we have another flap bag in maxi size, but looking at this one, I feel that the material is in shearling and it has the classic Chanel detail. As you can see, it comes with the 4 grommets and of course it comes with the classic chain strap. The only difference of this one, I feel that I don't see the CC turn lock closure for this maxi flap bag. So would you get this one, guys? Kindly comment down below. So next guys, we have like the vintage pieces, or kind of looks like vintage from the collection. So we have the Chanel envelope chevron flap bag. Again guys, not the official name. So this really does remind me of a Chanel vintage bag. Don't you agree guys? Of course it comes with the chevron pattern in different colorways. So it comes with burgundy, white, black, even in turquoise and like caramel color. Then we have a Chanel clutch bag. So this one, I feel that the material is lambskin, and of course it comes with chain shoulder strap that you could carry as a top handle. It comes with gold hardware, and of course the colorway of this one is white. What I also love about this is the closure. So it is like a clasp style or a kiss lock closure. Then of course we have the CC logo in front of the envelope flap bag. Then another bag that kind of reminds me of the 80s or 90s Chanel, so not the official name. So we have the Chanel twin flap bags. As you can see on the runway, it has like 2 different sides. So this is the one side, so it comes with the turn lock closure. Then of course the other side, it comes with the CC turn lock in the colorway cream, although it is a slimmer version than this one guys. I'm calling it like the reinvention of the Chanel 22. Kindly comment down below, how do you feel about this bag? And the reason why I'm calling it a reimagined Chanel 22, it kind of looks like Chanel 22 but better features. So the drawstring now is made of leather. Of course it comes with top handle. It still comes with the CC closure, which I find more chic. Then of course next on the runway, so we have the Chanel box clutch. So this one, so it is a chain, it comes with a chain shoulder strap. So this is perfect for parties, for evening events. So I believe you could also carry this one as a handbag. So this may be comparable to the Louis Vuitton Petite Malle. Then of course colorway is black with white borders with the Chanel logo, kind of reminiscent of their bag from Paris. Then of course Chanel CC flap bag or messenger bag. The material of this one could be a soft calfskin leather, as we could see here, and it has the CC Timeless logo in front. Then of course it would come with a thick non-detachable leather strap, so you could wear this one as a messenger bag or as a shoulder bag. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, so we have the Chanel shoulder bag. So guys, kindly correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm not mistaken, Chanel is no longer producing exotic leather bags. So I'm guessing that the material of this one is calfskin in a croc skin finish or stamp. Then of course it comes with adjustable leather shoulder strap. It comes with non-detachable leather strap. Then it comes with gold CC logo. Then we have this very beautiful Chanel orb clutch. So it is a clutch bag with constellations or star pattern, as we could see here. So it comes with the chain strap. Of course, I love the very beautiful gold hardware, and we could see close up, this is what the constellation looks like. It's like a globe. Then of course, next on the collection, so we have this one. I feel would be very popular. So we have the Chanel shopper tote. So the material of this one is suede leather. So guys, what does this bag reminds you of? So it kind of reminds me of the Margot bag, or even the Miu Miu bag. So of course, zooming in, we could see it has the Chanel diamond quilting. It comes with detachable CC charm, as we could see. Love that one. Hopefully it would come in a darker colorway as well. Then of course, next we have a Chanel Phoenix bag. So lambskin leather. So actually guys, could you comment down below, did Chanel already use a Phoenix logo like this with their previous collection? So this is the first time that I've seen that they are using the Chanel animal as the logo for the bag. Next on the collection, so this one, a Chanel bucket bag. So this is perfect for travel, perfect for everyday use, perfect for the office. As you can see, the strap is fully adjustable with the CC closure at the side of the bag, so you can adjust it depending on the length of the strap. Then of course, it comes with the CC charm like this, and of course I believe the material of this one is lambskin leather. How gorgeous is that bag? Then we have a Chanel flap bag here. So this one is kind of like a crossover of the Chanel Le Boy, because as you can see, it with the where the chain strap is attached, it kind of reminds me of Chanel Le Boy, but it is a flap bag. However, it doesn't have the Chanel diamond quilting, so it's like a shadow version of the Chanel flap bag. So will you get this one, guys? Kindly comment below. And of course, this couture version of the Chanel classic flap, gorgeous. So it really comes with the signature of the new creative director, Matthieu Blazy, because he is known for like his fringes, wherein we could actually see the fringes on the entirety of the collection. I felt that the collection is modern, and then of course very Matthieu Blazy, very contemporary. Then guys, we have another Chanel classic flap, and this one, the material is in black suede leather, and it comes with cowhide leather trims. As we could see, it comes with 4 grommets, so you could adjust the strap depending on how you would want to use it. Use it as a short shoulder bag or as a long shoulder bag. You could even carry perhaps as a crossbody bag. Next on the collection, so we have a Chanel envelope flap bag. So this is a flap bag style. Please take note that this is like a wallet on chain size. So later I'm going to show you how it looks like with a model. But take a look, guys, of the chain strap that it comes with. So this is how it looks like with the model. So maybe perfect for evening events, for parties. Then how gorgeous the embellished chain strap is. Next on the collection, so we have another tote bag or Chanel shoulder bag. It looks like lambskin leather, and the colorway is in black. Of course, I love the CC turn lock where the strap are attached. Love that detail. Then of course, I love also the size. The lambskin leather looks really luxurious, so I'm guessing that the interior of this one would be a lambskin burgundy interior as well. Then we have a Chanel tote bag over here. This tote bag really beautiful. So as you can see, the size is perfect. This one would be perfect for everyday, for travel, for work, and of course the material is not as sensitive because as we can see, it is like a full grain calfskin leather. And of course, I love the CC turn lock at the front of the bag. So next on the collection, so we have the Chanel tote bag. So they have come up with these like east-west style tote bags on the runway. So we have this one in the mint or pistachio colorway. So this one, as you can see, so I'm guessing as well that it is a calfskin leather and croc stamp finish. So again, guys, I could be wrong on that one. Then it comes with a CC turn lock closure. So what I love about these shoulder bags, or tote bags, the shoulder strap, guys. As you can see, the shoulder strap is very long, so you could carry this one as a shoulder carry. And this one, guys, super gorgeous because we could see the pronunciation of the east-west design. Then of course, the material is a full grain calfskin leather with a CC turn lock for closure. How gorgeous is that one? So guys, now let us discuss this new Chanel Crush flap bags of Chanel. So not the official name. So this one, guys, the material is metallic finish. So this is like a Minodier. So as you can see, the interior, it has a lambskin leather finish, but the outside part, so it is made of metal. So gorgeous. Hopefully, guys, the material is like brass, so it would not tarnish at all. Then this one, so this is another Chanel Crush flap bag, and I believe the material of this one is still in the metallic finish. So the first one is in gold and now comes in silver. So which do you prefer? Do you prefer the silver or do you prefer the gold? So maybe I would prefer the silver because I have a fear, like for example with the gold, the material would tarnish. Hopefully I am wrong with that prediction. And then we have another Chanel Crush flap bag, but this time the material is in lambskin leather. So this is the 2.55 version. As we can see, it doesn't come with the CC turn lock, but of course it comes with like the disheveled Crush flap bag. So how do you feel about this new collection?
Guys, what did you think of Chanel's new collection? Which ones are your favorite? Are you going to buy those crinkled style Chanel flap bags? Please comment down below. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!